What's up, guys? Welcome to another video of Dev Talks with your host Travian, where we talk about everything engineering and technology wise. In this video, Figure dropped another update, but this time it's not for a robot. It kind of is still for robots, but it's not the humanoid robots this time. It's on more on how they're impacting manufacturing and how they're just gonna take over with this. So without further ado, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I really appreciate it all, and let's dive into the video. So, one, we have to mute that for copyright because Figure just loves blaming copyright on everything. But the reason why we're covering this, right, and especially on what's going on in the world, like especially in the US, with everything that's going on and them trying to bring manufacturing back to the US, and I think Figure is outside in California somewhere. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but I believe they are somewhere around in that realm. If they're focusing on manufacturing and the main problem was cheap labor prior, how cheap is the labor going to be if all of it's done by robotics 100% at that point? So then how much easier is it to implement these manufacturing to get done in the United States? Like they're showing how they're manufacturing all the robots right here. Actually, I think this is how they're manufacturing all the robots. This is a deep dive on how they're doing it all and going with it. And you don't see one person in sight for this. So this is definitely just like how we used to watch iRobot and stuff, and the robots manufacture themselves. Look, that's exactly how they're getting the robotics out here. They're using robotics to manufacture in their robotics to go into our manufacturing plants and things like that to do day-to-day tasks that people don't want to do and that people don't want to pay for. And that's how it's going into. And it's kind of dope to get an inside look on that and things, but I don't think they have any real people inside of those manufacturing plants at all. And in the future, there definitely won't be any people really working in manufacturing unless they want to be willing to make the same amount as a robot, which is not going to be a lot at all. I'm really curious on how this is going to work out and how everything's going to be flushed out properly. But let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I know it's a short video. How do you think that we're basically going to respond to having all these robots like go into these manufacturing? Now, mind you, getting a robot probably is not cheap. Maintaining it probably is not overall cheap, but it probably is overall as having an actual person cheaper. Unless they're charging $50,000 for one robot, but then how long does that robot stay? And things. So it can equate to how long you can really keep them. It probably is definitely cheaper overall to just have them instead than an actual human being. And every business person would probably take something like that. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below for sure. I'm interested to see what your take is. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. If you want me to request anything particular, send me an email at devtalkspod@gmail.com. It will also be in the description down below. If you want to see more videos like this, it should be popping up right about now. Without further ado, peace. See y'all next time.